Title: VLAN Tagging Tutorial, How to Tag VLAN 5, with example. Introduction. Background music fades in. Host: Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into VLAN tagging and specifically focusing on how to tag VLAN 5. VLAN tagging is an essential networking concept that allows for better network segmentation, security, and efficiency. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Background music fades out. Segment 1, Understanding VLAN Tagging. Host: Before we jump into the practical demonstration, let's quickly go over what VLAN tagging is and why it's important. VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network and is used to divide a physical network into multiple logical networks. Each VLAN operates as if it were a separate physical network, even though devices may physically be connected to the same switch. VLAN tagging adds a special identifier, known as a tag, to network packets, enabling switches to differentiate between VLANs. Segment 2, Requirements for VLAN Tagging. Host: To get started with VLAN tagging, you'll need a few things. A managed switch. Managed switches offer the necessary features to configure VLANs and perform VLAN tagging. VLAN-capable devices. Devices that support VLAN tagging, such as computers, servers, or network appliances. A VLAN plan. Determine the VLAN structure and identify the VLAN number you want to tag, in this case, VLAN 5. Access to the switch's configuration interface. This is usually done through a web-based interface or command line interface, CLI. Segment 3, Configuring VLAN Tagging, with example VLAN 5 host. Now, let's jump into the practical part and see how to tag VLAN 5 on a managed switch. Please note that the steps may vary slightly depending on your switch model and brand, so consult your switch's documentation for specific instructions. Connect to the switch's configuration interface, open a web browser and enter the IP address of your switch or use the provided software. Log into the switch, enter your credentials to access the switch's configuration settings. Navigate to the VLAN configuration section, locate the VLAN configuration options within the switch's interface. Create VLAN 5. Create a new VLAN with the VLAN set to 5. Specify a suitable name for the VLAN, if required. Assign ports to VLAN 5. Select the ports on the switch that should be associated with VLAN 5. These can be individual ports or port ranges. Enable VLAN tagging. Enable VLAN tagging on the selected ports. This ensures that packets leaving those ports are tagged with the VLAN ID. Save the configuration. Once you have completed the VLAN tagging setup for VLAN 5, save the configuration changes on the switch. Segment 4, Verifying VLAN Tagging. Host: After configuring VLAN tagging for VLAN 5, it's essential to verify that everything is working as intended. Let's see how we can do that. Connect VLAN-capable devices. Connect computers or devices that support VLAN tagging to the ports associated with VLAN 5 on the switch. Configure VLAN settings on devices. On each VLAN-capable device, configure the network interface to recognize and handle VLAN 5 traffic. This can typically be done through the device's network settings. Test network connectivity. Send network traffic between devices connected to VLAN 5 ports and check if the communication is successful. Segment 5, Conclusion and Final Thoughts. Host, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to tag VLAN 5 using VLAN tagging. Remember, VLAN tagging allows for efficient network segmentation, enhanced security, and optimized network performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Background music fades in. Outro. Host, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about networking, be sure to check out our playlist with other helpful tutorials. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time. Background music fades out.